Today we're working on a Husqvarna tractor. Customer's complaint is it will not start. So without further ado, let's get into it. If you like this video and you find it helpful, please remember to hit that like, subscribe, and share button. Doesn't cost you a penny, but it helps out the channel a lot. So here we go. Oh, I always take the hood off first. It's real easy. Open it like that. You got a wire right there, plug. Just unplug this. There we go. That's for your lights. Take it like this. There we go. Set that off to the side. This is your fuel pump right here. You can see your fuel filter is right there. You can see there's no fuel in that. And there's gas in the tank. So that line comes up and hooks in right there. This is your pulse line that goes from here to here. And this is the line that goes to your carburetor. So we're going to first show you what to check. We'll take this line off. Get these pliers, this clamp. Oops. There we go. Slide that down just a little bit. Gently grab the hose here and just kind of work it back and forth a little bit. There we go. And pull it off. You can see that's pretty dry, but we're going to turn the tractor over, and if the fuel pump's working, it should be pumping fuel right out of here. If it's not pumping fuel, then we know that's a problem. So I'll try it real quick. Dry, nothing. So we're going to remove this fuel pump and replace it. So get that line off already. So we'll pull this line off here, right there. And always remember, pinch the fuel line off somewhere so you don't leak anything. Which I did that. I just forgot to get it on video, but that'll be alright. There we go. So that's your main fuel feed right there. And this is your pulse line. These go bad a lot. They get little cracks in them and all that. So we're going to take that fuel pump off. Just have these two nuts right here. There we go. These fuel pumps do go bad quite often, but I always tell everybody check that pulse line first because they are known for cracking. But I did that already. That's perfectly fine. Oops, really? There we go. Alright, I'll put that here. Okay. We don't want to hold that line real good so we don't break it. Had fuel in the pump, but diaphragm must have went bad. Alright, so let's put this new fuel pump on. So, put this pulse line on first. It'll go right here. There we go. That goes like that. That just kind of sits just like so. We'll put the screws back in here. And as I always say, don't tighten anything down until you get everything in place. Meaning, in this case, get the screws in, then tighten it down. There we go. All right. There we go. We'll tighten this bottom one up first. Keep NSNP Powersports in mind for all your service needs. We work on anything from outdoor power equipment to side-by-sides, mini bikes, scooters, golf carts, electric or gas. There's pretty much nothing that I don't work on. See, that just proves I'm blind because now I'm looking for my fuel line. There it is. I always say hire the blind guys. They're fun to watch. There we go. That's on there. So I'll get my pliers and put that line on. Alright. Yes, I can pick it myself if I want to. There we go. Okay. Alright. Alright, now I'm going to turn it over. And as you see, you can already see fuel coming already. But watch, you'll see it shoot right out of there. See that? Try one more time real quick. So that's how you know the fuel pump is working. So let's put this fuel line on here. There we go. Let me get a rag real quick and wipe off that muffler. Alright, just gonna get this gas off of here quick. Because obviously when you turn it over, you shot a little fuel everywhere. But you've got a lot on my pant leg, but that's alright. I'm used to it. No, gas don't hurt. I bet you she's gonna run like new now. I think it will. Maybe. You get it. It's always the little things, folks. There we go. That clamps on there. Now, let's see if she'll actually run. I have a feel that it will. Let's try. Well, be. So easy, even a blind guy can do it. We'll put our hook back on. Alright, so we'll plug this wire back in. There we go. Awesome. There. And that, my friends, that's how you change a fuel pump on most common lawn tractors. Hope this video helps. Remember, you can visit us at NSNP Powersports.com, or you can call Steve directly at 904-239-0586. I'm always here to help. And again, we are mobile. We come to you.